Having the right PC can completely change your gaming experience. So in this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 best gaming PCs so that you'll never have to suffer through laggy and low quality gameplay again. Now the issue is that a PC might work great for one person, but might not be the best for you. And that's just because most PCs are not made with the same people in mind. So that's why I made sure to include options for all types of gaming sessions. So regardless of what you're looking for, I'll have the perfect gaming PC for you. And please keep in mind that all of the links to find the best prices on all of the PCs mentioned in this video are going to be down in the description below. The PCs that I'm mentioning in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned to the end because you're not going to want to miss anything. First up, I have the Lenovo Legion Tower 7i. The Lenovo Legion Tower 7i is a well-rounded gaming PC, and that's really thanks to its Intel Core i7 processor, NVIDIA graphics card, 2 options for a powerful cooling system, a silent airflow system, and a stylish design. The Legion Tower 7i is equipped with an Intel Core i7 processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080 graphics card, providing a punchy gameplay experience for all kinds of games. So whether you're exploring vast open worlds, engaging in intense multiplayer battles, or playing some cozy games, the Tower 7i provides a reliable performance for all of these options. The Legion Tower 7i has 2 options for cooling systems, allowing you to choose between 260 watt liquid cooling or 190 watt air cooling. The Tower 7i also has more airflow through a larger VRM heatsink and a higher vCore for higher clock speeds and CPU stability. Plus, the Tower 7i has an incredibly silent airflow system at 20 dB, ensuring that your PC isn't incredibly loud as you play through those AAA games. With the signature Legion design, the Tower 7i has a storm gray chassis, a 3D mesh front bezel, and a rail-side transparent glass panel to showcase all the shiny internals. And for those who really want a PC tower that adds that bit of gaming flair to your setup, the Tower 7i has an RGB wordmark logo and ARGB fans to further add more style to the overall tower. Now, the Lenovo Legion Tower 7i is a great gaming PC that offers a stylish Legion design, silent airflow system, fantastic cooling options for cooling systems, and a punchy performance thanks to its Intel processor and NVIDIA graphics card. The Tower 7i is a well-rounded PC for those that are looking for one that can handle all kinds of gaming sessions without annoying laggy interruptions. Next, I have the ASUS ROG G22CH. Now this one is my choice for the best gaming PC for the money. The ASUS ROG G22CH stands out as a fantastic affordable gaming PC with its powerful NVIDIA graphics card, impressive cooling system options, and its customizable RGB lighting. The G22CH is powered by the Intel Core i9 processor and the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 graphics cards. This really ensures a responsive gaming experience that's great, given its affordable price. Plus, the G22CH keeps you ahead of the gaming curve thanks to ASUS's commitment to powerful technology. Just like the Legion Tower 7i, the G22CH has 2 different types of cooling systems to choose from. You can choose between the traditional air-cooled solution with fans or a custom liquid cooler for the CPU. It's a personal preference, but both keep the processor pretty cool without any excessive fan noise. The G22CH also has a fantastic stylish design that doesn't really feel cheap despite its more affordable price. With a sleek and stylish black finished chassis with customizable RGB lighting, the G22CH creates an atmosphere that immerses you in that gaming ambiance. The ASUS ROG G22CH is an incredibly affordable gaming PC that combines customizable RGB lighting, 2 options for cooling systems, and responsive gameplay through its NVIDIA graphics card and Intel processor. So if you're wanting a great quality gaming PC that doesn't sacrifice performance for affordability, the G22CH might just be the best option for you. Next up, I have the Alienware Aurora R16. The Alienware Aurora R16 stands out as a fantastic gaming PC with its NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 graphics card, Intel Core i7 processor, 240mm heat exchanger, and a design that prioritizes airflow efficiency. Equipped with the powerful Intel Core i7 processors and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 graphics cards, the Aurora R16 delivers seamless and lag-free gaming. While it might not be as powerful as the top-tier gaming PC out there, the Aurora R16 still is able to handle AAA games without giving choppy gameplay. With a 240mm heat exchanger that heightens thermal resistance, the Aurora R16 ensures that temperatures stay consistently low even during those long gaming sessions. The side hexagonal array, top surface exhaust, and the front stadium intake all provide significantly larger pathways for ambient air to enter and heat to be exhausted. The Aurora R16's design prioritizes airflow efficiency and improved acoustics by having larger passageways and optimized internal cable management. Now, with all of this combined, it provides a 20% quieter operation and a 7% lower temperature compared to the older R15 model. The Alienware Aurora R16 is an incredible gaming PC that stands out with its 20% quieter operation, airflow efficient design, 240mm heat exchanger, and powerful gaming experience. The Aurora R16 is a great choice for those who are looking for a powerful gaming PC that can handle top-of-the-line games while effectively preventing overheating issues. And keep in mind that if you're interested in updated pricing on any of the items mentioned in this video, be sure to check out the links below. The prices update on these PCs almost daily with sales on their sites and general price drops, so if you want to find the most updated information, check out the description. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and also hitting that subscribe button. Next up, I have the Acer Predator Orion 7000. This is my choice for the best overall gaming PC. The Acer Predator Orion 7000 is an incredible top-tier gaming PC thanks to its immersive performance, its obsidian-hued chassis, ARGB lighting, and a powerful cooling system through its Frostblade 2.0 fans. With Intel processors and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 graphics cards, the Orion 700 delivers an immersive and responsive gaming journey. Acer's commitment to innovation guarantees you stay at the forefront of gaming technology so that you never feel like you are lagging behind. The Orion 7000 boasts an obsidian-hued chassis crafted from a striking combination of tinted glass, plastic, metal, and mesh. It also has strategically placed ARGB lighting that illuminates the interior components, putting them on full display for all who check out your gaming setup. Plus, upgrading and customizing your rig is really simple thanks to its toolless design. With the ARGH-infused Predator Frostblade 2.0 fans, the Orion 7000 ensures that the frames are kept high while the temperature is kept at a low so that you don't have to worry about overheating. The fans on the insides all have a static pressure design, and thanks to the new arched-shaped fins, they keep everything quiet and smooth. The Acer Predator Orion 7000 really impresses as a top-tier gaming PC with its Frostblade 2.0 fans, toolless design, obsidian-hued chassis, and powerful NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 graphics card. So for those who are looking for a high-quality gaming PC that is both powerful and efficient, the Orion 7000 might be the best pick for you. Next up, I have the Origin Chronos V3. This is my choice for the best gaming PC for most people. The Origin Chronos V3 is a powerful gaming PC that stands out with powerful NVIDIA graphics cards, vertical airflow design, and its compact form factor. For those who are looking for a well-rounded gaming PC that can handle all intense graphics and games, the Chronos V3 might just be the right choice for you. It has Intel Core processors and with options up to NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080. The Chronos V3 ensures that its compact build doesn't compromise on performance. The V3 muscles through even the most graphically intense games, delivering smooth frame rates and stutter-free gameplay. But don't let its compact build fool you. The Chronos V3 still packs a powerful cooling punch. Thanks to its vertical airflow design, it efficiently dissipates heat even when running demanding games. It also offers multiple options to keep things cool, such as strategically placed vents, support for up to 6 fans, and even compatibility with the hefty 360mm all-in-one CPU cooler. The Chronos V3 comes ready with Windows 11. And what this does is really ensure that you are staying ahead of the games with a powerful OS. Windows has always been a top-tier gaming platform, so it's fantastic that the V3 comes with that installed to make sure that you can get right to gaming from the moment you turn it on. The Origin Chronos V3 is an incredible gaming PC that features Windows 11 OS already installed, multiple options for cooling systems, vertical airflow design, and powerful gaming performance. The V3 is a fantastic pick for gamers that are looking for a compact gaming PC that still delivers powerful, punchy gameplay. If you guys like this video or even learned something, please go ahead and give it a like and make sure to subscribe to the channel. Also, be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all of the PCs we just talked about in this video. That's all. Till next time.